All right, this is the first section of the bookkeeping course, and this is going to be an introduction to bookkeeping. The whole objective of this lesson is pretty simple. We're going to define the concept of bookkeeping and look at the relevance it has on small businesses. So in this first section, we are going to explore the fundamental concept of bookkeeping and why it's a cornerstone of financial management for small businesses. So one of the most important things is financial visibility, and we're going to get that by having accurate financial statements. So bookkeeping provides small business owners with clear and real-time visibility into their company's financial records. Now, these financial records, financial statements, these are crucial for making informed decisions. You're going to be asking yourself questions like, where is our money going? What are we spending our money on? I always tell people this is kind of cliche. You need to know where you've been so you can know where you're going.